Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Limits can look nasty, but this one collapses fast. Watch how a smart algebra move turns that square root fraction into option A in seconds. Start by checking direct substitution. If x goes to 4, the numerator becomes 2 minus 2, and the denominator becomes 4 minus 4, so we get the indeterminate form 0 over 0. So we should rationalize the numerator. Multiply the fraction by the conjugate, 2 plus square root x over itself, making the top 4 minus x, and the denominator 2 plus square root x. Now use 4 minus x equals negative x minus 4, cancel the x minus 4 factor, and substitute x equals 4 to get negative 1. Well done! Option A is right. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust the given expression, and check each algebra step carefully.